Hi everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. We're checking out here in Baltimore, Maryland. This is the bunch of ships here. So this is the PT 109. Over here is the Flying Cloud. This right here is the Bug-Eye. This is the Baltimore Clipper. Here in Baltimore, this is the crab skiff. Using that for crabbing. This is the Denmark. How cool is that? Look at that ship. Look at this sailboat. Okay, so this is a personal property of Mayor William Donald Schaefer. It's on loan here at the Baltimore Convention Center. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Check this one out. This is the pride of Baltimore. This is the Sovereign of the Sea. Baltimore is a major port. Major. Okay, Amerigo Vespucci. That's what Amerigo Vespucci was the one from Italy who had this notion about sailing on the seas. Like it was a pretty novel idea. This is the Eastern Shore workboat set up for working. This is a log canoe. This is the Red Jacket. That's what that boat's called. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Come visit us.